I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and a target server. This ensures CircleBot can register commands and manage roles. Once done, enable developer mode for easy ID copying and prepare a role for the bot. Next, use the OAuth 2 invite flow to add CircleBot with both bot and application command scopes. This lets you use /commands and webhooks. Make sure the bot role sits above any roles it should manage, because Discord enforces role hierarchy for actions like assigning or moderating. You now connect Circle's dashboard or run the in-server setup to register /commands and sync permissions. Once synced, assign specific server roles to Circle's permission groups so the bot only operates where intended. This prevents accidental mass actions. Then, configure welcome flows and auto-moderation thresholds. Tweaking strike limits and filter sensitivity helps balance strictness with community tone. Also, set custom command behavior and aliases so everyday moderators can use short commands quickly without losing clarity. You finish by testing every core feature in a staging channel: role assignment, mutes, auto-mod triggers, and welcome messages. Once verified, roll out to public channels and monitor audit logs. This validates that events and permissions behave as expected. If something fails, check role hierarchy and intent settings first. Discord restrictions often cause issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, resync commands or re-invite the bot with corrected scopes, and collect logs for support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.